comparison that everyone keeps making between Creatify and HeyGen is almost a trick question. Not because these tools are the same, because they were built for completely different jobs, and lumping them together as AI avatar tools is how you end up buying the wrong one. What's going on, everyone? My name is Eric Hunsaker, and on this channel, we look at SaaS tools the way you'd actually evaluate them if you had to bet your money on the decision. Honest about what works, honest about what doesn't. Today, we're breaking down Creatify versus HeyGen, what each one is actually designed to do, where the pricing gets complicated, and how to figure out which one belongs in your stack. Let's get into it. Why this comparison is misleading. So here's a problem with framing this as a total head-to-head. Creatify and HeyGen share a surface-level feature set that makes them look like competitors. Both have AI avatars. Both generate video from a script. Both cost money every month. So people land on a pricing page, see similar numbers, and ask which one wins. The honest answer is that the question itself is wrong. These tools are optimized for different outcomes, different audiences, and different workflows. Now, because you spend money on either one, you need to understand what you're actually hiring the video tool to do. What Creatify is actually built for. Creatify is a performance marketing machine. The entire product is designed around one outcome: getting a short form ad to production as fast as possible, at scale so you can test what converts. Their new tool, AdFlow, is the clearest expression of this. You talk to it like a conversational AI, it comes up with a plan, and the AI starts building it right in front of your face. The workflow is not designed for a ton of quality control at each step. It's designed for volume and speed. The avatar library runs over 1,500 options. Many of them are product holding avatars, which means the AI renders a figure physically presenting your product. That is a capability with no clean equivalent in HeyGen. And it exists because Creatify was built for e-commerce and direct-to-consumer marketers who need UGC-style creatives, not corporate presenters. Now, batch generation's another tell. You can produce multiple ad variants from a single product, swap hooks, test different avatars, and ship them to a platform for A/B testing. The tool is built around the assumption that no single ad wins. You need to test your way to the winner. The format range is about 15 to 60 seconds. That's the sweet spot, and the tool is tuned for it. If you need a 5-minute product walkthrough or a training module, Creatify is not really what you want to use for that. Pricing is starter plan at $39 per month billed monthly, or $33 per month on the annual plan. The pro plan starts at $99 per month. The credit math matters here. Quality ads at production settings burn through roughly 20 credits each. On the starter plan with 100 credits per month, that works out to about 5 high quality videos per month. Now, that math might be a bit conservative. You might be able to get a few more out of that, but that's the rough idea. The plans can sound more generous than the math sometimes suggests, so go in with clear expectations. What HeyGen is actually built for. HeyGen is built for explainer video, corporate communications, onboarding content, and training material. The use case is longer form, higher trust video where a presenter is walking someone through a concept or a process. The avatar quality in HeyGen is built around naturalism. The gestures are deliberate, eye contact holds, expressions shift in ways that read as intentional rather than generated. For a product explainer going on a homepage or a compliance training module going to new hires, that quality level matters. You're asking viewers to spend 5 to 10 minutes with this content and trust what they're being told. The multilingual capability is where HeyGen genuinely separates itself. Over 175 languages with lip sync that holds across translations. This is not a minor feature. If you're running a product that operates in multiple markets and you need localized video without refilming, HeyGen's translation workflow is one of the most practical applications of AI video that exists right now. The creator plan starts at $29 per month with 600 credits per month. Now here's where you need to read the fine print. Premium avatar video in HeyGen, specifically the Avatar 4 and 5 models, run 20 credits per minute. That means 600 credits gives you up to 30 minutes of premium avatar video per month. One polished 5-minute explainer, a few shorter follow-ups, and you're getting close to that ceiling. If you're planning to produce several polished explainers monthly, model your usage before you commit. Pro plan starts at $49 per month and starts at 1,000 credits. And there's also a business tier at $149 per month with 1,500 credits and team features for heavier workloads. The overlap zone. Here is where people get confused. Both tools can technically produce a short form video. Both have avatars. Both let you write or import a script. So someone trying to make a 2-minute product video looks at both tools and sees them as interchangeable. but they're not. The gap only becomes obvious when you look at the outputs side by side. A Creatify video is optimized to stop a scroll. It looks like a performance ad because that is exactly what it is. The HeyGen video is optimized to hold attention over a longer runtime. It looks like a professional explainer because that is what it was built to produce. The overlap zone is avatar quality for stock options. If you're using stock avatars in either platform, you're gonna see some of the same limitations. Lip sync can drift on longer scripts, flat backgrounds are the default unless you add B-roll or custom environments, too clean production can signal AI to anyone who has spent time watching this category. So what actually happens when you use the wrong tool for the job? You spend money on HeyGen to make ads that feel too polished and corporate for a UGC-style feed. Or you use Creatify to make a 10-minute training video and discover the platform was not designed for that runtime or that intent. That is not a wrong tool, it is a wrong tool for the wrong job. How to decide? Which job are you hiring this for? Here's the decision tree stripped down to what actually matters. If you're a performance marketer, an e-commerce brand, a DTC operator, or anyone who needs short-form video ads at volume to test and iterate, Creatify is built for you. If you want to go ahead and explore Creatify, we have a link for you down in the description below. Now, if you're producing explainer content, training material, onboarding video, or anything that needs to run in multiple languages with natural presenter delivery, HeyGen is the stronger fit. The multi-language translation with lip sync accuracy is a unique capability in the market, and the avatar quality holds up for longer form content where viewer trust matters. If you genuinely need both, that is a real scenario. A company could use Creatify for paid ad creative and HeyGen for onboarding and training video. These tools can coexist in a stack without redundancy because they serve different audiences in different contexts. The honest answer is that most people searching this comparison need one or the other, not both. So figure out what the video needs to accomplish and the right tool becomes more obvious. So that's the honest breakdown of Creatify versus HeyGen. These are not competing products. They're parallel tools built for different phases of a business's video needs. The comparison's only confusing because the category label AI avatar tool is too broad to mean anything useful. Creatify is for short-term ads. HeyGen is for explainers and training. If your use case is performance marketing, then Creatify is the most direct answer. If your use case is trust-building video content at any real length, HeyGen's the better fit. So if you want to get started with either of them, we'll have that link for you down in the description below. These are affiliate links, which means we do earn a small commission when you use them at no extra cost to you. And if you want more reviews like this, then subscribe to the channel. We cover SaaS tools the same way every time. What they actually are, what they do well, where they fall short, and who they're right for. So thank you so much for watching. I'll see you here in the next video.